Why do people believe in God less and less? A heavy question, but a true one. There are several layers to it, depending on how you look at it. 1. The age of reason and data. In the past, humans feared what they didn't understand: thunder, disease, death, so they sought refuge in God. Now, science explains most of those mysteries. When people place their faith in technology and themselves, God feels more distant. 2. Religion distorted by humans. Many lose their faith not because they hate God, but because they're disappointed in those who claim to represent Him. Scandals, hypocrisy, and the use of doctrine to control rather than to love, these make faith feel hollow instead of sacred. 3. The world is too noisy. In the storm of information, people are consumed by TikTok, money, deadlines. The stillness needed to hear God's voice has nearly vanished, and when the heart is restless, faith struggles to take root. God doesn't appear the way they expect. People today are used to instant results. They pray, see no miracle, and think, God isn't real. They forget that sometimes the miracle is patience itself, not the supernatural. Yet on the other hand, though fewer people follow religion, many still seek meaning, energy, the universe, the light. Different names for the same thing. Faith in something greater than themselves. They may not call Him God, but they still long for the divine in their own way.